Hello everyone. This is one of the questions from tension on a rope, alright? I have been treating it before. Please make sure you watch the previous one, alright? Now the question says, a monkey of mass 10 kg climbs up a light vertical string suspended from a hook with an acceleration of 2 meters per second square. Find the tension on the rope. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, solution, is to write out the formula. The formula of tension on a rope is T equals to M times G plus M times A, or T equals to M times G minus M times A. This is the two formulas we use in calculating the tension on a rope, alright? Now, T stands for tension, M stands for the mass of object, G stands for the acceleration due to gravity. Then, this M is the same thing with M, the mass of the object. Then, A stands for acceleration of the object itself. This one is acceleration due to gravity, while this one is acceleration of the object, okay, while pulling up the tension or pulling the tension down, okay. Now, what is the difference between this plus here or minus here? One, you know that tension acts upward while the weight of the object acts downward. For example, now, if you tie an object at one end of the rope, you understand, and hang the rope upward, you will notice that the mass of that object will be acting, the weight of that object will be acting downward, while the tension will be acting upward. If you are drawing the rope upward, you now notice that the mass is going upward with the rope. It means that the mass, that object you tie at the other end, is going in the same direction, is moving in the same direction of the tension, because tension is acting upward. Therefore, the movement is going in the same direction with the tension. Then we use positive, because the movement of the object you tie at the other end is moving in upward, which is in the same direction with the tension. That is the reason of plus here. But if the object is going downward, you now see that the tension is acting upward, while the weight of the object is moving downward. So the movement now is opposite of the tension, because tension is acting upward. Therefore, since the movement of that object is opposite of the tension, that is why we put now minus here, okay? So now, this monkey now here of this mass is climbing upward, a string, that is a rope suspended from a hook. The monkey, that means the monkey is going in the same direction of the tension since the monkey is climbing upward. So we will use the first formula because the movement is in the same direction with the tension. So now, we now have T equals to M. M is the 10, which is the mass of the monkey, times acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8, approximately 10. So let us use 10, approximately 10, plus the mass of the monkey, which is 10, times acceleration of the monkey, which they say is 2 meters per second, 2. Now finally, 10 times 10, 100, plus 10 times 2, 20, which will now be 120 Newton. The unit of tension is Newton, because tension is also a force. So it's a simple question and a simple way of calculating it. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it, okay, and comment on that. Bye. Thank you very much.